All right, YouTube. The party continues, man. I'm back with more. Um, I'm trying to tell you, man. I got a bunch of good shit in my collection. I got a bunch of good vacuums in my collection, bro. Like tons of good shit. As you can see, to my right, we got the famous Hoover Elite. You know. And then to my left, we got the famous Hoover. What is this? The Hoover Preferred. Can't see them. Bam. Side by side. One soft body, one hard body. Let's get to it. My Preferred does not have a headlight, so please forgive me for that. Anyway, here we go. Hoover Elite. All right. Two classic Hoovers from the Hoover's headquarters. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, you know who, and I'm out. Peace.